Hi, I'm Christina Camelli, and I'm going to show you how to make a larger quilted panel using your leftover quilting scraps. If you're like me, you can't bear to throw away these beautiful little scraps of quilting that we've cut off to make the other projects. So I want to show you how I join those scraps together to create a new panel that we can use to make another project. The quilted scraps I'm using are from my class Free Motion Quilted Gifts, where I show you how to make simple and giftable projects using your quilted panels. So what you need to start off is 2 quilted scraps. It doesn't matter what size they are. The only thing you need to pay attention to as far as size goes is whatever 2 pieces you're joining, they need to be the same length on the edge that you're joining. And what you'll need to join them is a 1-inch strip of fabric, and it'll be the same length as the edge that you're joining. To start off, take this strip and one of the quilted pieces, align their raw edges, and join them using a 1/4-inch seam. I use my walking foot to join them because it handles the quilted fabric better. Now press this piece open, and then join the next quilted scrap to the same strip of fabric. And you press that open. You can see that your piece is growing. You may decide to leave it like this, but what I like is to add a couple of layers of quilting down on that joining piece to just help it flatten out and make sure that the free motion quilting is saying the most interesting thing on the piece. These lines don't need to be perfect, just throw a couple down. And then you can keep adding more quilted pieces until the piece is large enough for the project that you want to make. Here's an example of some scraps that I joined. I started by joining these smaller strips together, and then I added this piece, and then I added the longer piece. And that's generally how I work, joining the smallest things together until they're medium-sized, adding the medium-sized pieces to that, and then adding the largest or longest things at the end. If you follow the steps in my class, you can use your panel to make a basket, a zipper bag, or a journal cover like this one. I love having scrappy, colorful wonderfulness in my life, and I hope you have a lot in yours too.